Hi guys, so today we are going to learn how to make this swirl logo in Illustrator. So we have already learned about the shape builder tool. We also learned it in the beginners course, my Illustrator beginners course. And now we are going to make this really cool swirl logo effect. So yeah, let me select this and move this to the side and let's make it from the start. I'm gonna zoom in over here. How do I zoom in? Press Ctrl or Command 0. Okay. So the first thing which I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here and select the ellipse tool and I'm gonna create a circle over here. But before that, I'm gonna come over here, click on this fill, and I will make sure that this is set to none. I just want the stroke. So let's create a circle over here like this, and let's increase the stroke to like 10 points. I guess 10 is too much, 5 is all right. So I'm gonna select this, and if you want to duplicate your circle in place, so I will press Ctrl or Command C to copy and then press Ctrl or Command Shift V. So now it is duplicated in place. We cannot see it, but if I move this, you will see that this is a copy. So now I'm gonna decrease the size of this. Maybe this is all right. Then I'm gonna duplicate it again. Ctrl or Command C or then Ctrl or Command Shift V. And then I'm gonna increase this size. But this time while increasing the size, I will press Shift, and when I will increase the size, it will show me the points. So you can see that it is snapping over here. So now this is snapped. Why is it not working properly? Show me the line. Okay, so this is proper now. Now you can select all of this and make sure to click on this. Let me show you what happens if you don't click on this. I'm gonna go to align over here, or you can go to align tool. You can go to properties, and you can basically, I want to align all of this to the center. So if I click on this, you will see that everything moves up and down depending upon their mean size. Let me press Ctrl or Command Z, and now if you click on this first, you will see that this is selected. So this is actually as a guide now, and all of the components will come down to this. So now if I click on this, you will see that everything is properly centered. Nice, right? Okay, so now I will click on this and I will duplicate this. So I will press Alt or Option and I will drag it to the right. While doing so, I will press Shift so that this is properly aligned. Now select both of these and copy them again. Same thing, Control C, Control Shift V or Command, depending upon which system you are on. And now rotate this, and while rotating, press Shift so that this is properly angled. Done. Now I will select all of this sorry, and I will use the shape builder tool. So I'm gonna click on this and I'm gonna start from this point. Okay, so I will draw like this over here and keep going out like this. Okay, similarly over here, click on this, click here and draw all over these lines, and we are good to go. And when we will make this, it will create a lot of shapes inside because we are duplicating a lot. So if I move this to the side, you will see that there are already a lot of circles in the middle. So let's try moving these circles. So I will click on this, then click on this. This is not proper. Let's try getting the circles. It is difficult. So let's select these and move this to the side, and now delete the circle. So now we are left with just these two shapes. Good. Now we will select these, press Ctrl or Command C and Ctrl or Command Shift V to duplicate again. And now we will rotate it like this at a 45-degree angle. So press Shift, and this way it will duplicate it like this. And you can basically leave it at this point. So let's duplicate this and move this to the side so that I could show you that you can even leave it at this point. But what I like to do is I duplicate it once more. So I will duplicate it again and basically leave it at this point. So we have multiple lines over here now. So now I'm gonna select all of this, multiple sections over here. So I'm gonna select all of this. Let's come to the center, select the shape builder tool, and you will simply click on all of these lines. So all of these sections. So I'm gonna click on this, then this, and this, and we will keep on doing this. It sometimes takes time because this is a heavy process, but yeah, you will get there. So I guess we are done. Let me click on this and this one to confirm as well, and then this is the last one. Okay, so I guess we are done, and now we are going to apply a gradient on it. So I'm gonna select all of this, and I'm gonna click on the fill. Make sure that fill is selected, otherwise the gradient will be applied on the stroke. And let's click on the gradient over here. So you can see that it already looks so good. So let me remove the stroke on this one, and let's keep the gradient. And you can see that there are a lot of small points on this as well. This will happen, this always happens. So there is a way around this as well, and let's try doing this. I'm gonna select just one of these small points, then I'm gonna go to select and click on same, and then click on appearance. So now it is selecting all of this. Let's try again. Go to select, same, and let's see what we can do. Okay, so if we select as same fill color, I guess it should only select those simple points. Nah, it is selecting everything. So yeah, no problem. We can select all of this and try moving this to the side and select these as well. Let's move out, put this to the side. Now we can select all of this and delete it, and I guess this is all right. Let's bring this over here, and you can already see that this looks so good. So you can select this and you can change the gradient color. So I'm gonna go to gradient over here, make sure that gradient is set to fill, click on this. Why is it not working? Sorry, let me select this, go to gradient again. Okay, so we can change the color to whatever we want. So let's select something crazy like this green, maybe light green, and let's select the other one as pink, or maybe yellow. I guess this is green and yellow looks nice, and we have this really nice swirl logo. You can even apply a stroke on it if you want. Let's select white. So we have this stroke or without stroke, whatever you like. So yeah, this is how you can create this swirl logo. Yeah, while we are over here, let's apply it on this one as well. Let me increase this and apply this gradient on it. So yeah, this is the mistake which I was telling you about. So since I had this as on top, it applied the stroke on this. I don't want the stroke on, the gradient on the stroke. I want the gradient on the fill. So let me invert this, and now we are done with it. So yeah, basically this is how you can create. Yeah, this didn't work properly because we didn't divide it into sections. So let's divide these into sections like this. Now it is looking nice. So yeah, basically this is how you can create this swirl logo in Illustrator. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next class.